This magnificent family home has quite literally been reborn, and you'll notice the consistent high quality through every aspect of this bespoke renovation. Set on a corner block in one of the Gap's most sought after locations, we are looking at master craftsmanship at every turn. Polished timber floorboards highlighting the beautifully decorated extensive sunken lounge one way and the spacious dining and kitchen the other. 3 bedrooms are located on this upper level with glorious black butt timber vanities in the bathrooms and stone bench tops. Downstairs you are greeted by a huge room that has massive scope as a teenage retreat, home office or media room. There is a further lower level with a massive 4th bedroom. This whole area highlights the possible separation in the house or social space for the whole family. In addition, this lavish home offers a large entertainment area with a saltwater pool and 3 separate grassed areas. Enoggera Creek and Dam and Mount Cootha are your backyard. You can walk to the park and ride bus transit, and some of the best bushwalking and mountain biking in Brisbane is found just moments from here. My name is Kathleen Luck, and the team and I at Brisbane Inner West Realty would love to show you more. Please contact us for the viewing times.